Hi, I'm Dr. Blair Masters with Arkansas Physical Health and Rehab, and I had a patient who asked a question on Facebook. Through a video, her daughters were looking up skin popping, and she asked that I kind of address this. And when you look it up on Google, it talks about like drug injections and stuff like that, but they were talking about pulling on the skin, then it sometimes creates a popping sound. Now, the popping sound that you hear when you receive a chiropractic adjustment comes when you open the joint up quickly, and it's kind of like decreasing pressure. There's a ligament that goes all the way around this. It kind of forms like a sac. And when you decrease pressure quickly by opening that joint up, it allows negative pressure that pulls gas out of the joint fluid and creates this popping sound. They were specifically, I believe, although they didn't kind of show it, but they were specifically talking about this particular technique that I use in the office on a regular basis, where we actually use the skin to pull on the vertebra. And I'm just going to kind of do a quick demonstration of this here. It's a very simple technique, but the vertebra, particularly at the front of the curve in the spine, sometimes moves forward, and you can get a hold of the skin and give it a little bit of a pull, and that will pull that vertebra backward. Now, the L3 vertebra, which is what I use that for the most, is particularly associated with things like constipation, that sort of thing. So this adjustment helps the nerve supply to the intestinal tract. Now, they were asking about skin popping, the girls on the video. I'll reference that video below, but there's other techniques that are used where you deal with the fascia and kind of break up fascia, not necessarily over the spine. And this technique can be a little uncomfortable, but say you have an injury or something here, sometimes you can get a hold of the skin and kind of roll it underneath and create this kind of breaking up of the fascia. And it's considered a form of massage in some cases, but it also helps break up connective tissue that may be undesirable in certain situations. So anyway, I wanted to address this question real quick because they asked me, and hopefully it's informative to you as well. Thanks.